Ndo fine.
This fucking guy, man.
Iyoo, Kashout. What you want?
It's only boy there.
My big man, I can't really want to one. Big man, what's up now?
Yeah.
Is this the car? The car here?
This is the car, man.
Yes.
This is the best car and this armored car.
Yes.
You will like it and this executive car, man.
Daddy put one more.
Yeah, it's from Texas, man.
Texas.
Yeah.
If I have Texas, then I want it. I call you Iyoo, Kashout.
God,
This is the executive car. You don't have any problem. Police will not stop you.
Okay, be if you are not chose me for ya bumbu to wenaga. Police are now kusem mwami na kusem.
Yes.
Na me juwe wena off ya. 30 naira dey na work. 30 naira no moto. Ezi mo mo video ya me pay ya na ya mazen. Wow, what a wonderful car. See, you go to the key and you because the 30 naira, I have the 30 naira, I have more.
This is $35,000.
35,000 naira.
This is $35,000. In Naira is 25 million.
25 million.
God,
This car worth in Nigerian money 25 million.
Give me 25 million.
In America is $35,000.
I'm not trying to wage a work is not 25 million.
Are you serious to buy a car?
Can you even what I
God,
want?
have mercy
Are you
upon
ready
us.
for purchasing of the car?
No, guy, who tell you I'm going to be now. Moment we want to come and they will give you shally brain. You go nonsense 25 million. 25 million may do about a woman. Give me shally away brain. No, if it's not 25 million. But only open one week with 35,000 naira.
You stupid.
35,000 naira to 25 million.
God, have mercy upon us.
Now we find out now. Guy, actually, some blade who shall you are. They don't say see you cut on. They shall him bring. You sound like you shall you are. In talk, delete my number. I don't want to buy any car for you again. I want to pay. How are you? I'm going to
God, have